Hello and welcome to introductory video for certification on data science and AI. Do you know how Amazon recommends you the products while you purchase? How Gmail classifies junk mail into spam? How are frauds in bank detected even before they occur? Can Facebook determine fake profiles of the users? Data science and artificial intelligence solves all such questions. Well, data science is a modern, powerful approach and discipline which integrates the usage of statistical analysis, mathematics, programming, and visualization to transform data into meaningful insights with semi or fully automated fashion. Data science is now highly in demand and valued. And as a data scientist, it's your role to analyze the data and offer solutions to the business problem and scaling the business organization. Isn't that interesting? This program equips you with the most sophisticated and industry-driven curriculum, which provides a platform to enhance the ability of our learners to gain the industry demand skills via daily instructor-led live interactive sessions. You will undergo a rigorous 180 plus hours of hands-on learning experience through 20 plus real-time case studies and 15 plus live industry projects. The key differentiating factor in this program are daily live sessions to maintain consistency in learning, small batch size of 10 learners, dedicated career success mentor, access to video recordings of live sessions. You will be able to acquire practical knowledge on cutting-edge technologies like SQL, Python, Keras, TensorFlow, Tableau, and many more, along with gaining expertise in applications like statistics, machine learning, neural network, NLP, computer vision, and data visualization. During this course, you will be implementing real-time industry projects like music recommendation system for music app, predicting price of an iPad, consumer behavior analytics for bike showroom, data visualization with OYO rooms through Tableau, and many more. Our rigorous training, strong individual mentorship support, regular assessments to assess your learning path, and hand-holding throughout the journey of data science career transition makes learners confident to crack interview with top MNCs. With our proven methodology, our learners have successfully transitioned into data science industry with companies like Amazon, Accenture, ITC, and so on. To help you get job in a data science industry, our dedicated placement team works with industry partners to provide endless placement opportunities. You will get an end-to-end assistance and support on resume building, mock interview preparation, one-on-one mentoring, social profile review, skill mapping, and much more. To help you get ample of opportunities, Business Toys has built a custom AI-driven job search platform with dedicated access to our learners. To get even more opportunities, Business Toys has partnered with Hirist and IIM Jobs for offering a 6-month premium access to job search portal to make your job hunt a smooth journey. Kickstart your new career, chasing the dreams that matters for you the most. So what are you waiting for? Register for a free mentoring session with Business Toys Career Expert.